you ready? Los Angeles, make some noise! Give it up for the GOAT, Ricky Carmichael, and Jeff 6 Stanton! The brand new reveal from our good friends at Triumph!
The appearance has been revealed even though it has not been officially launched for the Triumph TF250X, the first motocross vehicle from British camp. Even though this is a racing car, but this is a good trend that Triumph will definitely play in the enduro market in the future too, which is definitely favored by motocross and dirt road types in our country, if the prices weren't so cruel. From the design, you can see that black and white are the main colors of the label logo, and are highlighted in yellow, with a logo showing the model name on the rear side of the car. There are gloves and handlebar grips from the American brand ODI, shock absorbers from KYB, braking system from Brembo. From the handlebar there is an LC button which is probably a start assist system, and a QS button, which is probably a Quickshi.TC button, traction control, and an M button to change the machine map. The exact details will have to be followed up again. For enduro fans who like it, they may have to wait a little longer for enduro bikes to become owners of enduro bikes from Triumph, because this car is a racing car, which may need to be developed and improved for a while. But if it is sold, it means the company secretly made it and is very confident.